Greetings, esteemed viewers. We are discussing about the recent updates for the automotive industry. Firstly, in June 2024, CarTree drafted the latest KNCAP protocol for crash safety, which introduces new protocols for reclined occupant protection safety, full frontal crash effective in 2025 and 2026, frontal offset movable deformable barrier crash, 2026, side pole crash, 2025, and electric vehicle post-crash fire safety. Notably, the protocols for reclined occupant protection safety and electric vehicle post-crash fire safety, set to be implemented in 2026, are the first of their kind globally, with no prior development elsewhere. These initial versions are subject to change based on advancements in assessment methodologies and testing equipment. Secondly, in July 2024, CarTree presented the draft KNCAP protocol for acceleration control for pedal error to prevent accidents caused by drivers mistakenly pressing the accelerator instead of the brake. Developed with reference to JNCAP, the protocol outlines test procedures, including tire and brake warm-up, conducted similarly to the KNCAP AEBS test. To enhance active safety, Mollet plans to increase the score for this area from 20 to 30 points in 2025, with 3 points allocated specifically to the pedal misapplication prevention system test, encouraging manufacturers to adopt these systems. This protocol may also serve as a basis for future regulations or mandatory safety standards. Thirdly, in July 2024, the draft for certification, test method, and procedure regulations was pre-announced to strengthen EV compliance and improve the documentation required for certifying electric vehicles. The revision draft requires EV manufacturers to employ their own technical personnel, maintain testing facilities, and adhere to a -5% tolerance for EV driving range with a full charge to ensure reliable in-house test results. Next, the AECA decree and rule on modification certification were promulgated in July 2024. Following the revised AECA from January 2024. The revision clarifies the distinction between modification certification and reporting, establishing separate procedures and penalties. Under the new rules, failure to report a modification results in a more lenient fine of up to 5 million won. Additionally, vehicle manufacturers must compensate owners who rectify ERC defects at their own expense within the emission warranty period. Following this, a bill proposal for the Product Liability Act was drafted in July 2024, following a tragic unintended acceleration accident in front of City Hall Station. The new bills aim to shift the burden of proof to manufacturers for certain products, introduce court-ordered document submission requirements, and implement confidentiality orders to protect trade secrets. These changes are designed to make it easier for victims to seek compensation in cases like sudden unintended acceleration, recognizing the difficulties consumers face in proving defects in complex technological products. Finally, a bill proposal for the MVMA on pedal cameras was introduced in July 2024, prompted by an acceleration incident in front of Seoul City Hall that resulted in 9 fatalities. The Fair Trade Commission recommended amending the MVMA to mandate manufacturers to install pedal cameras, which could help determine whether vehicle defects or driver errors caused the accidents. The proposed bill would require manufacturers to install these cameras and inform buyers about their presence, similar to the requirements for event data recorders. Thank you for watching.